Guys, as I'm talking to you, social workers are in my house. They are upstairs now communicating with Deja. Let me go upstairs shortly for you guys to hear their voice. Join in. Eliab called me social workers. Eliab prefer his own daughter to be taken by social worker, a child I delivered for him at the age of 42. After all I have done for Eliab, after all we have done for Eliab, social workers are here now. Maybe I'm not allowed to show them, but Salas, okay? Okay? Salas? Okay. Can you answer, okay? You don't have to be afraid, Deja. Just be okay and be sincere, okay?
Okay.
So you heard. This is what I've been telling you guys, that Eliab is wicked. A child I brought for him into this world at the age of 42. Eliab called social worker. My Igbanke brother called me social worker. He's not a white man. Wants Monachi and Deja to be taken. Guys, you all now can see what I've been going through in the ends of Eliab. I'm sure it's getting more interesting. Hey, God. Eliab called me social worker. They are now upstairs. Eliab wants Monachi rather to be taken. Let me put it on charger. So I'm going to wait here until they are done talking to Deja. Eliab called social worker on me. You see, this is real or fake? I'm confused. I've been telling you guys what I've been going through. I never knew I was married to the devil himself. Devil himself. It's not up to 2 years ago I forfeited 1,700 € to keep marriage. Eliab has been in our life. He never worked. Social media, I made this happen. He was just a supporter. I hope you guys are seeing how wicked Eliab is. Eliab has extorted me, extorted my children, collected money, has been embezzling money, has been carrying money, and the mother have been supporting Eliab to lie, to cheat, to plan evil work, and the younger sister Blessing has been doing this, guys. Eliab has been manipulating. He's a pure narcissist. Eliab told them that they will come and take my blood now. Isn't it? They will come and take my blood. We will see. Told them that I was beating Michelle and the door totally got broken. Guys. I think Michelle was 9 or 10 years old. She was going to choir. And she came back too late. As a mother, you have to put your eyes on the ground for all these their small daughters then. Either she was, I think we came back from Nigeria already. She was already 11 or 12. And then she didn't come back on time. And I was suspecting some things. I disciplined her as a mother. That was many years ago. Eliab told them that I beat Michelle when she was 11 or 12 or 13. I don't even know the year. She was in choir, I can remember. She was in choir, I can remember. Then, many years ago, I don't beat children, but I was suspecting something. Eliab, my own Igbanke brother, for you all to know, he planned for me. Eliab and his family planned for me. Now, Eliab prefer Munachi to go to social worker, to live in the orphanage. When I fought for somebody else to come out of there, when life there is not really like living with your own mother, no matter how bad. Eliab left us with nothing, yet called social worker on me to come and pick Munachi. Eliab, is this how much you actually hate Munachi? Eliab, is this how much you actually dislike Munachi? And you will think, in the nearest future, Munachi will know this, that you called social worker on her. You wanted her to live in the orphanage. You rather would prefer her to be taken away from her mother, her siblings. You prefer Munachi as smart, as intelligent, as beautiful, as she decided to come into your life so late. This child has brought us nothing but so much happiness, so much success. Munachi has brought us nothing but easy life going. She was never intensively sick. She was always active, very outspoken, very agile. No dull moment where Munachi is. Right now, she's sleeping. Eliab, you prefer Munachi to be taken. Is this how much you really dislike this little girl? You are not only hating on me, on other kids, but Munachi. Munachi? Hey! 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 You won't, because you know Michelle can never be taken. Valerie can never be taken. Damien can never be taken. Even Deja, hardly Deja can be taken. If they take Deja, Deja will be running back. As Deja run more than 2-3 times, government have no choice rather than to let her be where her heart belongs. But Munachi cannot speak for herself yet. As much as you dislike this little girl, you want her to be taken, right? Because you never cared about this. You never cared about us. How many times have I told you guys that Eliab never cared about us? Eliab never gone outside to play with Damien. I said, this is my only son. Please, keep him occupied. I can keep the girls occupied. I can communicate with the girls. But there are limits of what I will do with my son. Go jogging with him so that he will not always be lonely. At least Michelle have Valerie. Munachi have Deja. But Damien is so lonely. Eliab called social worker on me. Scientific. Let's see, keep quiet. So, is alles okay? Lexi!
Sie brauchen sich keine Sorgen machen,
Ja.
aber es ist natürlich, telefonieren Sie?
Nein, ich telefoniere nicht. Wir reden jetzt, aber ich zeige nicht auf Ihnen, ich bin auf meinem Beruf jetzt. Ich sag's zu den Leuten, um was geht. Dass Eliab, Social Worker, also Jugendamt, auf mich angerufen hat. Das erzähle ich gerade.
Gleich ins Internet?
Ja, es kommt jetzt. Alles, was mich antun, kommt auf Internet. Aber ich zeige nicht auf sie. Und wir sprechen nur Englisch, die verstehen kein Deutsch. Und wir haben Fans auf der ganzen Welt und die müssen wissen, auf der ganzen Welt.
Müssen Sie alles, was in Ihrem Leben passiert, mitteilen?
Das ist sehr Angst.
Sie das wollen?
Ja, wenn ich das will. Das ist sehr Angst, das ist mein Leben, das ist mein Schmerzen. Und die wissen alles, was geht. Okay.
Wir sind im Grunde fertig. Ich wollte nur sagen,
Okay.
ich habe auch Ihre Tochter gefragt, ob
Ja.
sie das mitgekriegt hat.
Ich merke, dass die Kinder viel mitbekommen. Vielleicht versuchen sie gegenüber den Kindern diese Dinge, die zwischen euch als Erwachsene passieren, so wenig wie möglich, dass sie das an sie rankommt.
Nein, sie...
Ganz wichtig, dass sie bestimmte Themen und das
Zum Beispiel, man merkt das, die Kinder merken das. Zum Beispiel, jetzt haben wir kein Geld. Du kannst die Kinder nicht anlügen. Ich erziehe meine Kinder nicht mit Lüge, mit Wahrheit. Mit Wahrheit, okay, ich habe nichts, und dann müssen sie wissen, das ist passiert.
Aber dann ist es die können und die können auch große, wirklich einmal, sie sind nicht eine Person, die über Jahre auf Unterstützung erwartet, sondern sie sind ja eine, die Wahnsinn, was sie aufstellen und wie sie das aufstellen. Und es ist leider Gottes, das ist ja nicht ihr Verschulden, dass es jetzt so zu dem gekommen ist.
Ja, ich schaffe es, verspreche Ihnen. Ich werde es für meine Kinder immer so sagen. Es ist egal, wie viel Pech ich habe, wenn von ihr kommt, dieses Mal ist fertig. Aber für meine Kinder werde ich immer da stehen.
Sie schauen nach vor, es geht weiter.
Ja. Ich habe alles gegeben.
Gut, also wir werden nur der Frage.
Ist ihr Mann, der Vater ihrer größeren Kinder, waren sie noch zusammen, wie er verstorben ist?
Ja, freilich, deswegen habe ich Witwe bekommen, ne? Sonst nicht. Wir waren verheiratet bis am Ende. Sicher.
Was ist ihm denn passiert?
Das ist eine lange Geschichte, das will ich jetzt im Moment nicht erzählen. Okay?
Nein, ist in Ordnung. Nur wenn
Ja.
Ja.
Gut, nur damit Sie wissen, wer wir sind und dass wir da waren und die Frau Auerschnellin wird sich dann.
Kein Problem, ich warte auf Sie. Danke vielmals.
alles Gute.
Dankeschön. Danke vielmals.
Also alles Gute wünsche ich.
Dankeschön.
Ihnen.
Danke.
Entschuldigung, aber ich-
Kein Problem. Dankeschön. Auf Wiedersehen. You guys are getting to see with your eyes. My Igbanke brother came from Italy. I brought him here from Italy. He has been living large, like as I've always explained to you guys. We have done so much. I have even started doing so much for the family before we came on Facebook. He never worked in this country. I've decided to come into this country, left, took a lot of money. I have been with him with my whole heart, but he has been here to bring me down. And the reason why I did not suspect this was because he was my Igbanke brother. He was my Igbanke brother. I never thought my Igbanke brother would do this to me. This is Europe. Eliab, you went this far. I knew it. For you to be behind the whole saga for good 2 years, this one is small now. This is less. You brought social worker into my life again. Eliab, you hate me so much. You have had so much hate for me. Like, is this for real? What did I do? Who sent you? Who sent you? Till now, you haven't said one thing I did, only what I did to others, only communication, only cut, short cut. You cut it and join it, and it makes no sense. The world is watching you, Eliab. The world is watching Eliab Osifo and his family. Eliab Osifo and his family wants to collect my kids from me. They want me to lose my children. So, mommy, you want monarchy to be taken from the government after all I have done for you and your children? You want monarchy to go and suffer in the government house? Like you are standing solidly behind your son? Daddy, this was the reason why you gave me Bible. so that I can bear the pain? Was it the reason why you gave me Bible as a gift, Daddy? Eliab called social worker to take Munachi and Deja. Eliab, no matter how much hate you have for me, why for Munachi, you know I don't beat Munachi. You have been recording when I am angry, when you have provoked me, when you have given me injection, when you have said so bitter things, when you have done so much to me. You recorded my nakedness. You said if I talk, guys, I knew it would come to this. I've been bearing a lot. I have been bearing a lot. I was afraid to come out. He has been threatening me with so many things, false allegations, with my naked video, collecting money. But this time I said, it is enough. I can't. I have to come outside. I have to cry. At a time I stopped sleeping. The mother was sending me drugs. Eliab's mother was sending me drugs. I could not sleep anymore. Eliab's mother was sending me different kind of drugs to be able to sleep. Because here you cannot buy sleeping tablets just like that. Here you cannot just go and buy sleeping tablets. You say, why messages are being deleted? Some Chinese people, why messages are being deleted?